Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting legally and fast. If the phone is yours, gather the IMEI or serial number and the purchase proof. Once done, call the police and file a theft report. Get that report number. Next, contact your carrier to suspend service and flag the IMEI to block network access. These steps protect your identity and create an official record. Make sure to keep copies of receipts and case numbers for follow-up and insurance claims. Now move to remote controls. If the phone is linked to your account, use Find My Apple or Find My Device Android to locate, remotely lock, and, if necessary, erase it. You should only erase a device you legally own, because erasing removes location tracking that could aid recovery. Once done, immediately change passwords for your Google, Apple ID, email, banking, and other critical accounts to stop unauthorized access. These moves protect data. Finally, never attempt to factory reset or tamper with a phone you do not own. That can be illegal and could destroy evidence. Instead, provide the IMEI and your police report to law enforcement and your carrier and let them coordinate recovery or blocking. If remote erase or lock fails, escalate with the police and your insurer. They can advise on replacement or claims. Quick tip: if tracking stops, preserve all communications and receipts. Investigators may need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.